Meet the SUDZ-IT Mini Utility Rinse System, your fastest path to NFPA 1850 Preliminary Exposure Reduction Compliance. Drop in the SUDZ-IT donut, secure lid, and charge the line to get neutral pH. Fluorine-free suds from the included soft bristle SUDZ-IT brush. Preliminary exposure reduction, or PER, begins on scene. You stay on air while a partner uses the hose brush for a light top-down pass of the front, back, and SCBA. Fast, effective, and repeatable. Now, the rinse using the garden hose and spray nozzle for a low-pressure, low-volume rinse. Stay on air and rinse to clear. After PER on air, you can doff the SCBA and lightly brush areas not accessible while being worn. Avoid electronics, regulators, and intake ports.